Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring in deep crystal blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6010A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.